In this video, we're going to break down what a data lake is so that you can stop drowning in scattered files and finally understand how big companies store all their massive, messy data in one central place for epic analytics. Let's get into it. The big data pool. What exactly is it? Imagine you've got a massive pile of digital information. I'm talking text files, emails, images, sensor readings, and neat little spreadsheets. A data lake is basically a giant centralized storage repository that holds all of this raw data in its native format. You just pour everything in exactly as it is until you need it. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that just a database? Well, I'm going to show you the crucial difference in just a second. But first, you gotta understand the frustration data lakes actually solve. See, most businesses suffer from data silos, where the marketing team has their data locked away in one system, the tech team has theirs in another, and nobody is talking to each other. A data lake fixes this by dumping everything into one massive digital pool where everyone can access it. Data lake versus data warehouse, the ultimate showdown. So, how is this different from a data warehouse? All right. Think of a data warehouse like a beautifully organized library. Before a book goes on the shelf, it gets categorized, formatted, and strictly organized. That's called structured data. But a data lake? A data lake is more like tossing all your moving boxes into the garage and saying you'll sort it out later. It handles unstructured data, which means you don't have to clean it or format it before you save it. This is huge because structuring data takes a lot of time and money. You just store it cheap, usually on cloud computing platforms like Amazon S3 or Microsoft Azure, and let your data scientists figure out the patterns later. But wait, what happens if you just dump too much garbage in there? We'll cover that trap next. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to get more valuable content like this. The data swamp, when lakes go bad. Okay, now we gotta talk about the dark side of data lakes. Because you can store absolutely anything without organizing it first, it's really easy for your pristine data lake to turn into a murky, useless data swamp. A data swamp happens when there's no governance, no metadata, which is basically just data that describes your data, and nobody actually knows what's floating around in there anymore. It's like trying to find a specific Lego piece in a vacuum cleaner bag. To prevent this, companies use data cataloging tools and set strict rules so that when their AI and machine learning models go diving for insights, they don't just pull up digital algae. Stick with me, because how this actually translates to your daily work is pretty exciting. So what does this all mean for you? If you're building an app, growing a business, or just getting into tech, understanding data lakes means you no longer have to fear losing valuable information just because it doesn't fit neatly into rows and columns. You can capture every click, every image, and every log file, knowing you've got the raw materials ready whenever you want to train an AI model or uncover hidden business trends. It gives you the ultimate freedom to scale without boundaries. If this video helped, leave a comment below. If you want to keep learning, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.